बहुत गर्मी.
You know what topic is that?
Hey mom, welcome back to my vlog. आप मेरे vlog देखते तो नहीं हो ना? Thank you. मत देखना.
Why you can't see?
I got my eyes on you. Good.
What am I supposed to do with that?
कर देना उनको तो क्रश. वो मैं पानी में गुम हो जाएंगे वो माँ.
तो मैं कर ही तो रही थी, यही तो कर रही थी मैं. I asked you what to do, Neha.
Cheese. Cheese and onions. An embody is a nonchalant girl having coffee of a big tumbler. I got this new perfume, Blubbly Blue. I got the shade Hot AF, hot as fuck. And I got a small one because it's the first time I'm trying this brand out. It was kind of trending on Instagram. So I was like, you know what, why not try it? I really like their packaging. It's so cute. Apparently it lasts for it's pretty long lasting. It's one of the most long lasting perfumes, it seems.
Came back on Sunday night. What about you? What did you do on the weekend?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I was just made the smoothie bowl, which is like zero aesthetic, but man's got 26 plus 12, 38. Yeah, about 38 grams of protein. Let's go. I'm sorry, and there's nobody by my side. Don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you meet here, and I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Sit. तुम बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं सोचोगी कि पर मुझे पता नहीं लेकिन मैं ऐसा सोच रहा हूँ तुम शायद सोचोगी वाह ये
You know what this reminds me of? Hostel. Hard as fuck and we are again. Deja vu. बहुत ज़्यादा है ये. Whichever on that side,
Are you my concert buddy?
Yes, I am your house and techno concert buddy, and she takes enough videos for the both of us because I don't.
Bangalore is so fucking hot right now, and this is the coolest room in my house.
That's in the greenhouse. That's a strong area for the Chinese.
Unfortunately.
अर्थ बनेगी और भाई बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सेंसेशन हो रहा है. मीठा होता ना तो बट मस्त है भाई। साइड में यार पता है मेरे पास ना चिया पुडिंग बनी हुई है। Let me propose two things to you.
We have to go out for lunch, by the way. Lunch के लिए जाना है हमें, by the way.
लंच हम प्री गेम कर सकते हैं।
Game lunch.
दिस इज कोकोनट ओट मिल्क चिया पुडिंग। तो हम इसके ऊपर मैंगो काट के एंड नट्स और डेसिकेटेड कोकोनट वो कर सकते हैं।
Sounds appealing. Fuck.
And we will go ahead with it.
भाई अब एंड में मैंगो का टेस्ट
है ना भाई, मैं ऐसे प्लान करूंगी कि अब मैं अब रोती हूँ। छुपा लेती हूँ तो चलो।
Other people that have my worst behavior.
भाई मैं क्या फालतू लग रहा था पता है आज के पहले तक।
But I've always seen you with this haircut only.
Yeah, because I had so much hair this time.
क्या टाइम हो रहा है?
7:30 काम करके निकलते हैं।
इतनी गर्मी पड़ रही है कि रोशनी है।
हम उसमें है ना, नॉर्वे में है ना,
बर्फ पड़ने वाली।
सनसेट तो होने ही नहीं वाला यार।
14 घंटे काम करने